Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove silence from your video on InShot using the AI cut feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first thing first, I'm going to open up the project I have just created. This is my project, and I'm going to remove pauses or silence from this video. Okay, if we want to remove the silent, we can use the AI cut feature. You just need to scroll all the way to the right until you find this option, AI cut. You can click on this option and then you can choose the language. But unfortunately, there are only 3 languages right here. And since my video is in English, so I'm going to select English. Then we can click on the check mark and just click on start and click on free unlock. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. The AI will be automatically removing your video. Removing silent from your video. Okay, and now the silence have been removed from my video, and this is the result. I'm going to play it. And then to get this feature guys, make sure you have updated your InShot application because this feature is only in the latest version of InShot. So make sure you have updated your InShot. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove silence from our video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.